In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully download your Google Slides presentation and open it in Microsoft PowerPoint. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable with the process and able to seamlessly transfer your presentation between these two popular platforms. First things first, you'll want to have your Google Slides presentation open in your browser. This is your starting point for converting it into a PowerPoint file. With the presentation open, head to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the File option in the menu bar. Go ahead and click on File. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, including the one we're interested in, Download. Once you hover over or click Download, you'll see a list of formats you can choose from to download your presentation. Among these options, you'll find Microsoft PowerPoint. TX. Click on this option. What happens next is your browser will start downloading your presentation in the .pptx format, so keep an eye on your download queue. Now that the download is in motion, you'll need to know where your downloaded files are stored. Typically, downloaded files go straight to the Downloads folder on your computer, but this can be different depending on how your browser is configured. If you're unsure, it's a good idea to open your File Explorer and locate the Downloads section. That's where you'll most likely find your newly downloaded PowerPoint file. Once the file is successfully downloaded, the next step is to open it in PowerPoint for reviewing. Open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer, and then you'll want to navigate to the downloaded .pptx file. Double-click on the file, which should now launch PowerPoint and open your presentation. When your presentation opens, take a moment to check through it to ensure everything has transferred smoothly. Pay particular attention to the layout. You want to make sure everything is in place as it was in Google Slides. Check your fonts to ensure they appear as intended, since sometimes different programs handle font rendering in subtly different ways. Animations are another key element to verify. You want to ensure that any transitions or animated elements still function as you planned. Lastly, go through any media files you've included, such as images, videos, or audio, and play them to make sure they're correctly embedded and functioning. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to download your Google Slides presentation and open it in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, a class, or sharing your work with colleagues who use different software, knowing how to convert your presentation smoothly makes the entire process much easier and eliminates the stress of last-minute tech issues. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.